Hey, what's up, you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thank you for tuning in my channel. I'm in Brave, New Jersey, and I'm heading for squid fishing. This is a great afternoon, and weather is nice. Hopefully, we're going to have a good time. I will update you when I get to the fishing spot.
Hi guys,
Uh,
it's a nice day, and hopefully we have a good day with Steve today. We are catching for squid.
yes, this is Yon, my co-worker, and we are fishing all together. And this is the first time we are fishing for squid. Wish us good luck. There. Yeah, just keep as soon as it hit bottom, it should be grabbed right to it. This was probably just on the way back in, it's grabbed.
Huh?
On the way down, it's grabbed that. Side. That. Nice.
It's choppy.
Hmm?
It's good.
The good side, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. A good one, man. Smaller.
Yeah, good, Steve.
Hmm?
Good.
You can feel that. That's heavy. A little bit heavier. You too. Too small.
Oh, double header. There you go.
double
Hold 'em up. Nice job.
Double header. Yeah, that's a good one, man. You're going to have a happy wife. Happy wife. Yeah, they're recording.
Yep.
Beautiful. Oh, that's a nice size. Love it. Look at that. Good baby. Nice. That's me, that's please. I love this. Thank you, sir. Beautiful. Normally, the boat left drifting during squid fishing, but because of windy day, the captain had anchored the boat. That affected our performance a little bit. But overall, I did good. I caught 28 of these squid, inspired by Yong, the co-worker who was fishing with me today. I'm going to share with you a Korean recipe. It's called Mulhoe, or sashimi in cold broth. We need some vegetable for this dish, so I'm going to take you to my garden to pick up some fresh veggies. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's head to my garden. Let's pick up cucumber, sea salt, green onion, hot pepper, and the Asian pear. Cut all the ingredients into thread. Arrange all the veggies in a bowl. To prepare the squid, open the belly and remove the head along with the gut. Remove the internal shell. Tear off skin from the mantle and the fins. Cut the mantle into thin slices to form a squid noodle. Place the squid noodle onto ice to chill it. To prepare the sauce, you need 2 tablespoons hot pepper paste, 1 tablespoon hot pepper powder, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon soy salt, 4 tablespoons vinegar, and 3 tablespoons sugar. Get a frozen soup stock for cold noodle from Asian market. Add some Sprite and the sauce we just made. Now place the sliced squid on the veggie. Pour the ice-cold broth over the veggie and squid. Add some sashimi seed to finalize the steam. This is squid mulhoe, or squid sashimi in cold broth, a traditional and popular Korean cuisine. It is a great dish for a hot summer day. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support will empower me to share with you more exciting fishing moments and delicious food recipe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.